Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Muskan Agarwal. So today we'll be doing from the question 41. Alright, so today's first question is, who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Indian Coast Guard, which is ICG? तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा वीरेंद्र सिंह पठानिया. So now let's talk about ICG. What is ICG? ICG का फुल फॉर्म होता है इंडियन कोस्ट गार्ड. Its establishment was 18th August 1978. ICG Day मनाया जाता है on 1 February. Its headquarter is in New Delhi. The new Director General is Virendra Singh Pathania. Alright. So next question. Which Indian company has acquired Britain's battery maker Faradion? The answer is Reliance New Energy Solar Limited. कौन सी कंपनी ने ब्रिटेन बैटरी मेकर को एक्वायर किया? सो दैट इज़ द रिलायंस न्यू एनर्जी सोलर लिमिटेड. अब RIL की फुल फॉर्म होती है रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज़ लिमिटेड. इट्स एस्टैब्लिशमेंट वाज इन 8 May 1973. इट्स हेडक्वार्टर्स आर इन मुंबई. फाउंडर है इसका धीरूभाई अंबानी एंड इट्स चेयरमैन एंड MD इज़ मुकेश अंबानी. ऑलराइट. Now next question, who has been appointed as the new Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Equitas Small Finance Book Limited? अब न्यू मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर और चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर को किसको अपॉइंट किया गया है? इट इज़ वासुदेवन पठानी एंड नारा सिंह. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वेयर हैज़ प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी laid the foundation stone of Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna University, which is in Meerut. Which country has launched a 5-year plan to become the global robotics hub, which is in China? चाइना ऐसी कंट्री जिसने लॉन्च किया a 5-year plan to become the global robotics hub. All right. Then, according to the report of the National Tiger Conservation Authority NTCA, how many tigers have died in 2021? How many tigers have died in the year 2021? So 126 tigers have died in the year 2021. This is a major counting. Then, when is Global Family Day 2022 celebrated? Which is in 1 January. एक होता है ग्लोबल फैमिली डे विच इज़ सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 1 जनवरी और एक होता है इंटरनेशनल फैमिली डे. दिस इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 15th May. देन 48th क्वेश्चन, विच कंपनी हैज़ मेड द वर्ल्ड्स फास्टेस्ट फ्लाइंग इलेक्ट्रिक प्लेन? So the Rolls-Royce company has made the world fastest flying electric plane. इसकी स्पीड है 623 km/h. Now which company has handed over the first of India's 23 electric boats to Kochi Metro Rail Limited? KMRL का फुल फॉर्म है कोची मेट्रो रेल लिमिटेड. So its correct answer is Cochin Shipyard Limited, which is in Kochi. Now, where was the Indian Army established the quantum computing laboratory? This is in Mao, and the state is Madhya Pradesh, which is MP. Where has the Indian Army established? Indian Army ने अपना quantum computing laboratory कहाँ पे establish किया? Which is in Mao, Madhya Pradesh. Has been honored with the World CEO Winner of the Year 2021 award. The answer is Kishore Yeda. Which has become the first Asian country to win a test match in Centurion, South Africa, which is India. India has become the first Asian country to win the test match. And where is the Under-19 Cricket Asia Cup 2021 held? It was held in United Arab Emirates, UAE. Who has become the new brand ambassador of online travel company EaseMyTrip? EaseMyTrip के न्यू ब्रांड एम्बेसडर कौन बने हैं? विजय, राज एंड वरुण शर्मा. Who has become the new Chief Executive Officer of, of Vistara Airlines? The answer is Vinod Kannan. Vistara Airlines के न्यू CEO कौन है? Vinod Kannan. Now let's talk about Vistara Airlines. It is the Tata Singapore joint venture and is an Indian domestic airlines. Its headquarters is in Gurugram, Haryana. Its chairman is Bhaskar Bhatt. Okay. Who has been appointed as the new Steel Secretary of India? Its correct answer is Sanjay Kumar Singh. Question is, which company has brought 100% stake in Alice India and Green Investments for $12.5 million? The answer is Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra has brought 100% stake in Alice India and Green Investment for $12.5 million. Alright. 58th question. Who has chaired the 46th GST Council meeting held in New Delhi? The answer is Nirmala Sitharaman. Now let's talk about Goods and Services Tax, which is the GST. It is an indirect way which was implemented all over India on 1st July 2017. 2017 में GST implement हुआ था. GST rates are 0%, 5%, 12%, 18% and till 28%. France is the first country to implement the GST. Implemented in India. इंडिया में कब इम्प्लीमेंट हुआ था? 1st July 2017. Which has become the country's first paperless high court? Paperless court. Kerala High Court. The correct answer is Kerala High Court. This Kerala High Court has become the country's first paperless high court. 60th question. Who has won the women's category title in the All India Federation Cup Carom Tournament 2021? The answer is Rashmi Kumari. Okay. So thank you for this. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.